If you're looking for something for Diwali, especially this festive season, I highly recommend Nikasha's collection. I especially love her vibrant colors, and with our dusky skin and in this tropical country, I think vibrant colors are a must. I think they just make an outfit. It's not highly embellished, but it's still so vibrant that you could wear it to a wedding, you could wear it to a Sangeet, you could wear it to, say, a Diwali party or Diwali itself. And they're just all the colors that Indian women can wear and carry off really well. When it comes to salwar kameezes, it needn't be very classic. You can do them with little lungis, you can do them with little skirts. For example, like this piece here, it again could be for a wedding, it could be for a party. You can just take it from a party to a wedding. I love her saris for Spring Summer 2011. I love the shading, as you can see. Off-white and whites are always popular through summer. I especially love the latkans. They just add this little twist to the sari, and it's just so young and vibrant and beautiful. It can be worn during daytime or nighttime. Stay away from heavy embellishments because you're wearing your sari or your salwar kameez for a minimum of 4 hours if you attend an event, and that can get really heavy. So it's easier to have something that's lighter yet vibrant, and just have an element of something that's ethnic that kind of gives a twist to your garment. It just kind of looks different from everything else that you've worn before. Last, go for flowy fabrics like georgette, chiffon, silks, sandwash silk, because they stick to your body and give you a great silhouette.